Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete WhatsApp group. So first of all, you have to open up your WhatsApp application. On your WhatsApp application, you have to click on the group that you want to delete. In the group, you have to click on the group's name. Now scroll down until you see the members of your group. Now click on the name of your members and then click on remove from group. You have to do this for all of your members until you're the only one left in the group. Then scroll down and click on the option that says exit group. Again, click on exit group. Now as you can see, the option to delete this group is available. So click on that option and again click on delete group. So by doing this, you can very easily delete any WhatsApp group. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.